Protecting your family's future. Understanding term life insurance. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your loved ones will be financially secure no matter what. Term life insurance can provide that security. Let's explore how it works. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, known as the term. Think of it as a safety net for a set amount of time. It's designed to protect your family during your earning years. Typical term lengths range from 10 to 30 years. You choose the length that best aligns with your financial obligations and family needs. This flexibility makes it a popular choice. If you pass away during the term, your beneficiaries receive a lump sum payment. This payment is called the death benefit. It can be used to cover various expenses. You pay regular premiums in exchange for this coverage. These premiums are usually level, meaning they remain the same throughout the term. This predictability helps with budgeting. Your age plays a significant role in determining your premium costs. Generally, the younger you are, the lower your premiums will be. This is because younger individuals are statistically less likely to pass away during the term. Your health is another crucial factor. If you're in good health, you'll likely qualify for lower premiums. Insurance companies often require a medical exam to assess your health status. Lifestyle choices also affect your premiums. For example, smoking significantly increases your premiums. Other factors like risky hobbies can also impact the cost. The amount of coverage you choose directly affects your premiums. Higher coverage amounts will naturally lead to higher premiums. It's important to balance your needs with your budget. Term life insurance can replace lost income for your beneficiaries. This is especially important if you're the primary earner in your household. It ensures your family can maintain their standard of living. It can also cover mortgage payments, preventing your family from losing their home. This provides stability and security during a difficult time. Knowing the mortgage is covered can bring immense relief. Term life insurance can help with childcare costs. This is crucial for families with young children. It ensures they receive the care and support they need. It can also cover education expenses and outstanding debts. This includes college tuition and student loans. It helps secure your children's future and alleviate financial burdens. Term life insurance does not build cash value. Unlike permanent life insurance, there's no savings component. It's purely for protection during the term. The policy expires at the end of the term if you're still alive. There's no payout if you outlive the policy. This is a key difference compared to permanent life insurance. However, term life insurance often offers renewal and conversion options. You can renew the policy, but premiums will likely increase. You can also convert it to a permanent policy. Converting to a permanent policy, like whole life or universal life, allows you to maintain coverage for life. This option is useful if your needs change over time. It provides lifelong protection. Consider your financial obligations when choosing a term length. Think about your mortgage, debts, and other financial responsibilities. Choose a term that covers these obligations. Assess the needs of your dependents. How long will they need financial support? Consider their ages and future expenses. This will help determine the appropriate coverage amount. Align your choice with your long-term financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially for your family? Ensure your policy supports these goals. It's always a good idea to seek professional advice. Consult a financial advisor for personalized guidance. They can help you assess your needs and choose the right policy. Term life insurance is a cost-effective way to provide financial security for your loved ones. It offers protection during the years they need it most. It's a responsible way to plan for the future. It offers peace of mind knowing your loved ones are protected. You can rest assured that they'll be financially secure even if you're no longer there. This peace of mind is invaluable. Ready to learn more and explore your options? Visit our website today for a free quote and personalized consultation. Don't wait to protect your family's future. Take action now and secure their tomorrow.